Paris Hilton followed me. We have to talk. We have to get our coffee and we have to talk, dolls. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, let's get started.
That is my dream. I dream is what you make it. Always try to give.
Hey my loves, I've got my coffee. I want to make this a quick video, kind of an motivational video as well. I've never really done those. So I have my coffee. I am ready to tell you what happened the other day. I think it was yesterday. So this is fresh. So might as well get yourself comfortable. I'm gonna do a little, it's not like just a little story time of my reaction because I want to document it on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. Okay, so Mrs. Paris Hilton of The Simple Life, the Hilton Hotel, the glamorous heiress Paris Hilton followed me on TikTok. I cannot believe it. I had to make a whole video about it because I'm still like gobsmacked. It has not set in. The teenage me cannot believe what is going on in 2023. Like, if anyone had ever told me Paris Hilton, of all people, will follow me, I would say you're lying. I would not believe it. So I know some people are going to be like, oh, there's LB with the whole manifestation thing again. But yes, my mom, if I can get her on this channel, if I can get her here right now, which she's not here, I told her, like, at least right before the viral video of my pink couch went viral, I had a dream, a very, 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 very clear dream that Princess Kate Middleton over in the UK followed me and was like, I see all your content, I like your content. And I was like, this is so weird, but I accept it. And I'm a dreamer. Like, if you know me from childhood, I always have like very, very, very clear dreams about stuff. And but I never dream for myself. I always dream for other people and they come true. So that dream just stayed with me, and she followed me, and also she gave me Princess Diana's earrings and jewelry, and I was like, why? I don't deserve this. And she's like, I just want to be friends with you, Princess Kate Middleton. So I was just like, since that dream, that was like back in like May or June, I was just like, somebody this year of importance will follow me or become friends with me. And I just don't know who and when, but I know it's going to happen before the end of this year. For some reason, I just knew it wasn't going to be Kate Middleton, but somebody of like that of notability, someone who's famous, someone who's really popular in the society and possibly in America. But then again, it could be Kate Middleton. We just don't know. But I just thought it wouldn't be. I don't know why. But I knew it was going to happen. And literally the same week Paris followed me, I was just thinking, like, that dream has not come to pass. Who is it going to be? Who's the celebrity going to be? The year is almost ending. And literally it happened. The day it happened, it was just, I was dancing in my living room. I was literally dancing before it happened, just randomly just dancing. I just took my dogs on a walk and they're back in, and I was just like having fun dancing randomly, no music playing, just having fun. All of a sudden, like, my phone vibrates and I get a notification and it says Paris Hilton liked your video. And I was like, no, that has to be a bot account. That's a troll. You know how like you just don't, like, there's so many troll accounts. I was like, maybe it's a fan page. But then something told me, no, that is the real Paris Hilton. Go and open it up quickly because it's happening right now. She's on her phone liking your video. And then right after that, the notification was, she followed you. And I was like, ah! Actually, the notification was, she commented, then liked, then followed. It was just coming one by one. And I was like, oh my God, Paris is live on my page right now. No way. So I went and I saw it and it was like 2 seconds ago. And I was like, oh my God, she's live on my page. And I was like, screenshot because no one's going to believe this. So she followed and I was like, no way. The Paris Hilton followed me on TikTok. This cannot be real. This is a joke. Then I went on there and it showed the comfort, like it showed, you know how they have the blue check mark, everything that proves she's the real Paris Hilton. Like, it's just, like, I was just in shock. I'm still in shock. It's just, and I get it. She's a human being, but she's Paris Hilton. I mean, wouldn't you be in shock? And especially a celebrity that you actually love and respect. And it just takes me back to like the 2000s. Like my teenage self is just like, there was no way you would have told me in like 2006 that the Paris Hilton Simple Life would be following me. I will tell you you're lying. I'll tell you no, like no way. So like it just makes sense. We both love pink. We're both girly. No. Thinking, so like right 2-3 days before, she was coming out of a hotel or something with her baby, and I saw that she like stopped to take a picture. Like, you know how like she holds the selfie, like holds the camera up and takes a picture, Paris. And then I read the comment, because I was thinking it, and I read the comment, someone confirmed what I was thinking, and someone said she always takes pictures with her fans. She's super, super humble. And I was like, it's true. I've noticed like since ever seeing Paris Hilton, I've noticed that out of all celebrities, she literally will stop and take a picture with her fans. Like, and I was like, she really is humble, because like a lot of celebrities like don't, like some get annoyed, some like cuss out fans, and for her to be that humble, I was like, that is actually telling and showing of how her personality is. So I was just like, wow, I was just thinking that randomly, literally, like you're thinking something and 2 days later she follows me. It just solidifies me in Pinkland. When you have the queen of pink, the queen of glam just is your friend now, like, and I know we just like follow each other, so I've not met her in person. One day we'll meet. But it's just like, she's in my space now, basically. It's just unreal. Like literally, I was telling my mum as a joke, and I actually mean it. Like whenever I get married, Paris Hilton's invited to my wedding. Like she will be at my wedding. That's how much in my head she's my friend now. But yeah, I'm just so like, wow, it just tells me, and this is the motivation part, and this is what I'm about to get into. Keep working hard, keep doing what you do. You just don't know who's watching. You don't know who watches your page. You don't know, and that's why you can't post negative stuff. You can't post, and that's why I didn't want to get into celebrity tea and stuff like that and doing videos like that where I talk about politics or celebrities, because you just don't know who you might align with in the future. There are days where I don't even want to post, even on TikTok, even on YouTube, because I feel like, oh, it's not going to get enough views. Who is watching it? Like, it's not going to go, it's not going to hit. And then imagine I didn't post that video, because it was one of the videos reviewing her products. And imagine I didn't post that. She would never have seen me. She would never have gone down my page and liked what she saw to follow me. So imagine, like, you have to work hard. You don't know, you just can't sit and just not work hard if you're like in this industry or in any industry. You don't know who's watching you, who might promote you to the next level. Never give up on your dreams. Never let anyone talk you down, talk you crazy. Just keep doing what you do. Like, you just don't know what will happen. Like, I never expected it. And never look down on people. You don't know who and what would change in a second. That's like literally the biggest cosign ever. Like, I have so many highs in my career, but this is a high. This is like the biggest cosign. If you're a pink girly girl, to have the Paris Hilton follow you is like the biggest cosign of your career. So like, it just like solidifies everything on my page. Never, ever, ever give up on your dreams. Keep working hard. That is like the biggest cosign ever, to have the queen of pink, the queen of glam, literally become your friend. Like, I don't know, if that's not the biggest cosign you can ever get, I don't know what is. And you just never know. And you could put this into your career, even if you're not even if you're not an influencer, even if you're just like anywhere, no matter where you work, you don't know. One day the CEO might walk in the company and give you a raise and give you a promotion. This should be inspiring to you to work hard. You're closer to your dreams than you think you are. You're closer to the right doors that open up into the right rooms than you think you are. Always be careful, especially on the internet, what you put out there. For me, because I know a lot of brands watch me, I know a lot of, obviously, celebrities will watch me. I've always known this because it's the internet. Once you put a video out there, anyone can see it. Like, you literally, your face is out there, your word is out there, and it's captured on the internet forever. So you just have to be careful. And you also have to be, when you put your stuff out there, always expect it to go viral. Always expect it to reach the masses. So always conduct yourself in public, anywhere, at any time, with respect, with love, with kindness. Always put out kindness. put out positivity, because you just don't know who's watching and what you can get back out of it. So I just wanted to motivate you dolls, also telling you dolls the good stuff that happened, but all at the same time I want to like motivate you, even in your personal life, even if you're not an influencer, in your regular work life, to just keep working hard, keep grinding. I got a really ugly comment on my Instagram, like right when my video of my pink sofa went viral, and when Fox News picked it up, when all the media like were picking it up, but specifically Fox News. And I'm going to tell you the comment. I normally don't give like negative people attention, and the fact that they, you know, they always comment for a page that is not even their real page anyway. But this made me realize that people watch you and people watch when you're working hard. And this person commented, "You have been waiting for this moment all your career, and finally you have it. Like, you're trying to get famous." And I'm like, first of all, anyone on social media, when you put a picture out, of course you want to you want to get famous. Of course you want success. You don't post something not to get a like. That's why there's a whole like button. That's how YouTube runs. That's how social media runs. That's how they make money. So when that person left that comment, I'm like, I'm glad you recognize I'm working hard. That is the point of social media. That is the point of me making videos, not just for entertainment. It is to get out there. You want the likes are for people to view your video. The more likes, the more it attracts people. So when that person made that comment, at first I was like, are they what was the reason for this? Like, I don't get what you're trying to say. Are you offended? Do you want me to be, are you offended that I'm happy that I'm on Fox News? Do you want me not to reshare this? Do you want me to be silent about this? Do you want me to not be happy? Of course I'm going to be happy. That is the whole point. But I'm glad that in all of this, you realize I am working hard, because that's what they tried to say. And they're trying to be shady and nasty. And I'm like, yes, I am working hard. That's what we all are meant to do. When you give up in life and you don't work hard, that is a problem. When you give up and you don't see instant gratification, and you just like don't work hard anymore, and you just don't, because you're not seeing instant likes and you're not seeing instant success, that's a problem. I take pride in working very hard to get to where I am and to get to where I'm trying to get to, because you're never going to stop till the minute you close your eyes and you're 6 feet under. You're never going to stop. There's always going to be a new challenge. I don't like giving hate comments any attention, but I just had to share that, because it's like, why would I not want likes? That is the whole point of social media. Like, I don't know why people try to shame influencers for wanting likes and doing things for likes. That's how it runs. That's how YouTube runs. That's how Instagram runs, TikTok, all of them. It's the likes. That's what makes them, that's what attracts even the news to want to reshare or talk about your videos. So anyway, I just had to put that out there. Never let anyone shame you for working hard, because from the minute you wake up to the minute we're done with this world, you have to keep doing something. You have to be challenging yourself every day. I don't know, but I get very sad if I don't have a challenge, if I don't have a DIY, if I don't have a video to film. That kind of will depress me if I don't have nothing going on. Always find something that makes you happy, and YouTube makes me happy. Making content makes me genuinely happy. So I guess that's one of my manifestations for 2023 that is done. And it's like, I know there's going to be something big, maybe another celebrity before the end of the year, or a huge brand. I have them in mind, and I don't talk about them because I just don't want to like jinx it. There's a lot of negative people out there. So I don't say, obviously, what are my dreams? What is in my mind? But I just know, like, this year has been so positive for me. This could have been a great end of year video, but I just had to say it now because a lot of people don't know Paris followed me on this channel. So I had to come over and do the little celebration and talk about it, like little mini story time, because I'm just still high off of that. And I mean, if it happened to you, you will be too. Who knows? Maybe Paris might be on my channel one day. Like, we might do a TikTok. We might link up. We don't know. But I'm just so happy. And because we're talking about Paris, let me give her, because she's my new bestie in my head, let me give her some quick promo, because I was going to buy this anyway. She has a new collection at Walmart. I'm going to put a picture in this video so you can see. She has a new affordable collection. She had the one on Amazon, which is the ones that I bought. And that's what you see in my kitchen all the time. I get so many compliments on her pot set. But she has a whole new line of cookware at Walmart. Most of it's sold out, so I'm sad. I was going to do a review video, but like, it's all gone. Like, I don't know if you have it in your area, but check out online if you might find it. I'm going to wait until it's restocked to do a full review and show you it in my kitchen. She has so much cute, pretty stuff. I'm going to tell you the stuff that I'm interested in getting in her collection. She has like a a popcorn maker thing. I'm not sure what it is yet until I go and see it, but I saw something about popcorn. I'm gonna put pictures in this video. She has the pot set. Oh my god, it's $79. I love it, very affordable, and the pots look really good quality. I already have some pots of hers, but I want more that I can cook with, because the ones on my stove right now, I try not to cook with them. They're just too pretty to cook out of, and all of her pots are non-stick. She has a knife set that I really want, but it's sold out. You dolls don't want to let me get one. I want that. It's on my list. I want it. I want it. I want it. If anyone finds it, let me know in Houston, Texas. Then she has like a bunch of coffee cups or mugs. She has like so much cute stuff, and they're all pink. They're all pink. You need to go on TikTok. There's so many videos of it in Walmart, and it's like, it's just pink goodness, girly goodness. Like Paris really ate with this collection. Like she went to town with this collection. Like her Amazon one's gorgeous. This one like tops it a little bit. So I can't wait to see more of her stuff at Walmart, and who knows, maybe even Target next. But yes, she's on Amazon, so you can still get her stuff on Amazon. I'll have the links down below to my ones that I got in my Amazon storefront. Yes, I am just like, Paris. We're like online besties now. Can you believe it? 𝗬𝗚𝘀𝘁𝗴𝗿. So yes, should I show you the collection I already have? You dolls have seen it, but like, should I quickly show you if you're new to my channel? Like the pots are like chef's kiss. I love her pot collection. I have like 2 sets. I have the ones with the lid. Like, let me quickly show you one of them, the ones on my stove. So here is her cook set, her kitchen set. The pots that I have are these ones. I have the other ones as well. I'm going to link both of them. I just add these bows on them because they look so pretty, and they're actually for when you're holding something hot. So yeah, this is how they look. They're non-stick, they're grey inside, pink all the way. I mean, just how gorgeous are these in my kitchen? Just look at the rest of my kitchen. These are so pretty, so you have to go and get them. I'm going to link them, and they have like gold hardware. It's just so pretty, and I have another set that's in my cupboard, but this is the one that I don't cook with. They're just literally for beauty because they're just so pretty. Like, I don't even want to cook with them. Definitely check them out. These ones are the ones on Amazon, but then she also has the Walmart collection. They're so pretty. I love them. I love how they look, and they don't change color. They stay pretty. I've had them for probably 8 months now, probably since February, I believe. So they've stayed like this. They don't change color. Very, very, very pretty. I wash them a lot, and they still look really, really good. So definitely go on Amazon. The link I'll have down below. I'll even pin it in this video so you can get the same ones I have. I'm gonna get gold knives that she has now. I didn't even know she had gold knives, but she has the ones at Walmart. I'm gonna get her ones for my kitchen. And yeah, so it comes with a love heart chopping block, so it looks so cute. But yes, that's that. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to like catch you dolls up. This week is going to be busy on my channel. We're doing Christmas shopping, so stay tuned for that. The secret word of today's video is going to be... So today's secret word, because it is Paris Hilton and she followed me and we're just talking about that today, and she's the girly queen. Today's secret word is going to be the pink bow. So comment that pink bow in the comment section down below, and maybe with the French flag because it's Paris Hilton. Paris, get it? Or the Eiffel Tower, one of them. Pink bow, Eiffel Tower, or pink bow, French flag, regardless. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. Don't forget to comment those secret emojis. It helps me know who has been watching to the end of this video. Yes, let this video inspire you, dolls. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you enjoyed this, no. Let's do this again.